Thank you. Meezaan, Center for Human Rights, tiene la palabra.
President, we welcome the Syrian Arab Republic's acceptance of recommendations to criminalize the use of torture and its commitment to release all those who are arbitrarily detained or forcibly disappeared. However, we remain concerned that despite similar commitments in its previous UPR, there have been no tangible results in the investigation of torture allegations. To date, no one has been held accountable despite a high number of such claims. While we commend the government for passing an anti-torture law on March 30, 2022, we documented the deaths of at least 11 individuals due to torture in detention centers since the issuance of the law. Photos of bodies show signs of starvation. Other injuries include burns, bruising, ligature marks, indicating strangulations, and signs of electrocution. We hope to see, as recommended in the report and accepted, the establishment of a national mechanism to identify and hold accountable all perpetrators engaged in human rights violations, especially arbitrary detention, abduction, and enforced disappearance of tens of thousands of individuals. The impunity long enjoyed by the security forces who commit these crimes is the main factor perpetuating the massive violations of human rights. We regret that the Syrian government did not commit to allow independent humanitarian organizations full access to all places of detention. The use of torture in detention centers is widespread against individuals suspected of having participated in demonstrations, journalists, defectors of security forces, women, and children. Children are often arbitrarily detained or killed during demonstrations, and there are extensive reports of sexual violence committed by public officers against women. Meezaan and Geneva International Center for Justice call on the government to promptly investigate all allegations of torture, ill treatment, arbitrary detentions, and excessive use of force, and to hold all those responsible to account in fair trials. Thank you.